Alright, here's the one you've been waiting for. Now there's something I want you all to do. Everybody, everywhere, put your hands up in the air. I don't want to hear no, so let's go loco.